movement. I don't do it passively like so many people do. They stiff leg it. They're sitting on nothing but ligaments. They're not pivoted. They're not putting their quad into play to be an absorbance for the movement. They think that it's a passive type of defensive move. Again, we don't do anything passive. We're attacking his movement. So when he comes in, I attack it. Now I just sit down with whatever shot that I want from here. And then you can follow up with your follow-up shots. Okay. See, this is already there, man. Boom, already going. All right, here we go. Sir. Throw the punch, freeze. If you are close enough to parry this still, you're not doing the Jeet Tek right. The Jeet Tek intercept though. Look, he can't reach me with those hands. Look at this. Look at the proper pivot, the quad's in play. Now, as soon as I land it, that's already in. Does that make sense? All right, pass over. We have it one more time. If I do the Jeet Tek and he retreats, so let's say I Jeet Tek, he steps back, I have step, and I'm just going to use the rail kick as so it goes 1, I have to go get him. Does that make sense? You can do a half step, full step, pendulum step, shuffle. I don't care. It depends on his distance gap. Does that make sense? I'm going to do the hook kick just as a point of reference. So it goes 1. See, no, I have to go get him. You can just step in and kick. You can shuffle off of one leg, which is just here. I don't care your delivery system, but the point is you have to follow that guy. Does that make sense? Forward motion with the Jeet Tek. I'm just going to don't do a Ninja Warrior where I kick and kick again like I'm at some competition. I let it touch, and then I launch it again. And then I fall right back into place. First one. Second one. Intercept, touch it, the rail kick hits, and I fall right back into place. Third one. 1, touch, hook kick. I like the back fist right after the hook. Fall right back into place. All right, let's see if we can get that 4. Go. What hand do I hit with? The lead hand. That's the lead hand. The foot and hand timing falls together. If I put the foot over, what do I hit with?
Rear hand.
Yeah, so here, and that would be the cross. Okay, so tell your guy or your mid holder is telling you let's work on the front hand first. Okay? All I want you to do right now. And then you start tying in the rear hand. See? All I want you to do right now. Can we get that 4? What do you do? No. At 80, I want it to come back at what? 100. So I don't punch and then admire my work. It comes right back. Comes right back. Does that make sense? All right. If the foot goes straight, then I don't have the hip rotation because I'm still in alignment. So the lead's much better. Does that make sense? When I kick on an angle, it's almost like I'm lining up to throw the baseball. Right? So it goes here, goes 1. Look at the rear foot pivoting. Hip presses the cross forward. Does that make sense? All right, give it a go. ABC, attack by combination. So we're still going to enter with the kick. So it goes 1. Then he just moves. Then we circle on the other side. All I want you to do. Now you can lead with the front. So you can kick once, lead hand, then 3 punches. That's fine. Or you can kick once, rear hand, 3 punches. Any questions? 1, 2, 3.